Okay, so for the pre-lab, first we're given the voltage divider right here with 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm. It's telling us to measure the voltage after the first 1 kilo ohm resistor, then after the second 1 kilo ohm resistor. By using voltage divider, VA is equal to 10 thirds and VB is equal to 5 thirds. Then the second one is giving us two pieces of code, basically telling us like what's going on here or what's wrong. And I could figure out that when putting into processing is telling me the in string, the trim parentheses in string is throwing an error. Then for number 3, it says the following line of processing code plots a circle on the screen of what radius. So here defines an ellipse. So the circle radius is 5. So this goes 5 in one direction, 5 in the other. And yeah. For the first part of lab 1, by running the Arduino code, we can see the max and min values of the potentiometers are from 0, both sides, all the way to 1023. Since the Arduino is a 2 to the 10 bit, we expect to see integer values between 0 and 1023. Set up the circuit. This is for part 1, 2, and 3. So here I changed the color to blue. I just have to change the fill color to 00255 because red is 0, G green is 0, but blue is the full value. I also changed the ellipse definition for one of the measurements to be 6 width and 30 height, and also it has a limit. It has basically an invisible fence that only like half of its diameter can touch the either side. I play with it with the potentiometers. It reaches the limit and it stops. Down, up. The ellipse is defined. I was able to create the same color pattern as displayed in the lab. I made my circles / ellipses bigger, so it covers more area while I demonstrate. All the way to the right, I get yellow. Top right, way to the bottom right, almost white. Bottom left, blue.
Okay.
And then
so
top left,
what's the game plan
dark
here?
blue. Also, when moving the fill below the ellipse definition, I also played around with the coefficient values. So every time it moved to a new position in the grid, the RGB values would be either multiplied or divided. I played around until I got a similar color as the one in the lab. Like there wasn't a straight answer. Like these are the values that got me closest to the actual colors. I modified my processing code so when the cursor reaches the right of the screen, the program clears the screen and the cursor wraps around again to the left side. The only thing I'm controlling is the height, then boom, resets, wraps around. After modifying and changing a lot of the Arduino code, and then working on processing with a lot of if loops and working off Arduino, relating a whole bunch of statements, and oh yeah, also uploading, working out how to upload a JPEG onto the screen, and also playing with sizing. I got to make the snake game, and here I don't have buttons, but I used single power, and with the reads going in for Arduino, and the resistors going to the ground. If you look at the screen, I'm actually just going to show you how to go up. And then boom.